Hello and welcome to LeoPrime's guide to locate and explore your personal area. Visit our website www.leoprime.com and log in using your email ID and password. After your successful login, the homepage dashboard displays the list of your live trading accounts, the frequently used payment methods to ease your transactions, and the upcoming demo contest details. On the trading accounts page, you can view the list of your live trading accounts and the demo trading accounts separately. Click View to know more about a particular trading account. To open a new live or demo account, you can simply select the trading platform, choose the account type that suits your trading style from the list of available options, and finally click Done. Your new account is ready. Select the Finance module to know about the deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers, and LeoPrime wallet. In the Deposit and Withdrawal tab, you can choose from our wide range of payment gateways to deposit or withdraw funds. In order to withdraw funds, your profile should be verified completely. Also note that the availability of the payment methods will differ for each country. You can view the transaction history of your deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers on the respective pages. By clicking on the internal transfer page, you can either internally transfer funds to your own account or to other accounts. Please note that you can transfer funds to other accounts only when your profile is 100% verified. On the wallet page, you can check your wallet balance and also view the list of transactions made using the LeoPrime wallet. In the My Profile section, you will be able to view your complete personal details if you want to update or make changes to your profile or change your password. You can simply do it by clicking on the Edit option. Please note that every time you make any changes to your profile, it's mandatory to upload your address and ID proof and get them verified. By selecting the partnership, your partner personal area will open in a new tab. This area provides a wealth of information including your current balance, total commissions earned, total clients under your IB name, and total number of IB clicks. You can find your referral link here. Just copy it or directly share the link from your personal area with your friends via any social media platform. The contest page will welcome you with the upcoming demo contest. If you wish to register, you can just click on the register button, create any nickname of your choice, and click confirm. Also, you can view the details of our previous demo contest as well. Settings page allows you to set your preferred leverage for your demo account and live account. Based on the equity and account type, the leverage options will be listed below. You can now choose the leverage you prefer from the options provided. The setting page will also let you change your platform password and update your security type. The platform page provides you with the available trading platforms with us. You can select the trading platform you wish to trade on and get to download the Android or iOS or desktop versions of the same on this page. The ticket sections help you to raise queries or complaints directly from your personal area. You can create a new ticket by clicking here. You can also view the previously raised tickets or reply to them as well if you feel your queries wasn't resolved. Monitoring provides you with a comprehensive overview of your trading accounts. To select an account, click the drop-down menu and choose the trading platform and account number. In the copy trading, click on Trader Profile to create your new strategy account or to make any changes to your existing copy trading master account. Thank you for choosing LeoPrime. Happy trading!